Ngayong araw guys, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano ito gagawin ang ating kamote. So guys, hati-hatiin lang natin yan. Ang ating kamote. At siyempre, tapusin natin tong video na ito para may matutunan din po kayo. So yan guys, hinati-hati ko yan hanggang matapos. So yan guys, natapos na ang ating paghati-hati ng kamote. Pagkatapos init na ako ng oil. Saka siyempre, inilagay ko na yung aking kamote. So napakadali lang guys na gagawa ka ng pang snack mo para sa iyong mga anak or asawa. Yan guys, hintayin mo munang maluto. Pagkatapos medyo maluto na ng konti, pabaliktarin lang natin. Pagkatapos dyan, yan na guys, baliktarin natin lahat yan. Isa-isa lang baliktarin natin. Tsaka nila ako gumagamit ng malaking sandok. Yung ginagamit ko ng kutsara lang kasi ano lang, konti lang naman itong niluluto kong kamote. So guys, hintayin lang natin maluto siya. Tsaka madali lang to, saglit lang tong lutuin tong kamote natin. Yan na, luto na guys. Itatabi lang natin kasi may susunod pa tayong lulutuin. Iubusin natin lutuin yung ating kamote para isa lang natin lagyan ng sugar. Ayan na, bilis to maluto guys. So meron tayong snack na kamote Q. So napakasarap to guys. Lalo na pag pang snacks, pag gutom ka, meron kang makakain. Napabilisan lang. So, madali lang to. Hintay-hintay ka lang dito. Yan na, naluto na lahat. So, nilagyan ko na ng brown sugar. Ito na yung nagpapalasa ng ating kamote Q guys. So na guys, abangan na natin ang susunod na ano nito hanggang matapos yung video. So, sa mga baguhan pa sa aking channel dyan, huwag niyong kalimutan na i-subscribe ang aking YouTube channel. At hit nyo na ang aking bell button. Mag-comment lang kayo dyan sa baba para mapuntahan kunin kayo at masuportahan. Yan guys, binabaliktad ko na para matutunaw yung brown sugar. Pag natutunaw na yan, napakasarap ang sugar, ang lasa niyan. So, meron na tayong kamote Q na pang snacks natin sa bahay. Yan ba, dagdagan na ulit natin ang brown sugar. So napakasarap yan. Ayan na ang ating kamote Q.
Go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of leaving if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, oh. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it, how you gonna move for it, what you gonna be?
Ayan, luto na ang ating kamuti Q guys. Perfect, ang sarap nito pang snacks natin. So, salamat sa inyong pagpanonood dyan. Thank you so much. Bye bye.